Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Shopify to PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at officialshopify.com option, and after doing so, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So after successfully logging in, now in this home page right here, where the left side screen, you can see all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. We can get started transferring our money. So basically guys, this is what we're going to do. What you want to do is go right here into the settings option. Clicking the settings option in the left side screen is going to open up this new settings menu where we can take a look at all the general options we have, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started transferring money. Basically guys, as you can see in this payments option right here, we're going to click on payments. Here you can get started setting up the payments that you want to receive. And basically guys, as you can see here, as you can see under supported payment methods, what you can do is get started with activating PayPal. So what you can do guys is click activate PayPal, and after clicking activate PayPal, you can now go ahead and get started connecting your PayPal account to your Shopify account. After successfully connecting your account, now every purchase made in Shopify is going to go to your PayPal account, and that is where you're going to receive your money. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.